In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Omnisend API key. First, make sure you're logged into your Omnisend account. Once you're in, you should land on the main dashboard, where you normally see your store's performance and campaigns. This is the starting point for accessing your API settings, so keep this tab open while we go through the steps together. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. At the very bottom of that left-hand column, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the shortcut to your store settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Whenever you need to adjust anything related to your account or store configuration in Omnisend, this is usually where you'll go. After clicking the gear, you'll be taken to the settings area. Here, you'll see several sections related to your account, store, and integrations. What we're interested in is the section labeled API. Find the option that says API and click on it. This is where Omnisend lets you manage your API keys, which are used to connect Omnisend to other apps, tools, or custom integrations. On the API page, you'll see a list of existing API keys if you've created any before. If you haven't created any keys yet, the page will be mostly empty, but you'll see a clear option to create a new one. Look for the button that says Create API Key and click it. This will open a form where you define the details of your new key. The first thing you'll be asked for is the name of your API key. This name is just for your reference, so choose something that clearly describes what the key will be used for, like shop integration or reporting tool. A clear name will help you later if you have multiple keys and need to manage or revoke one. Next, select the permissions for this API key. Permissions control what the key is allowed to do, such as reading data, writing data, or accessing specific parts of your store. Only grant the level of access that is actually needed for your integration. This is important for security and for keeping your data safe. Once you've named the key and chosen the permissions, scroll down and click on Create API Key. Omnisend will generate the key for you. Be sure to copy it and store it somewhere secure, because this is what you'll use to connect Omnisend with other platforms. And that's all you need to do to find and create